Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So in this video we'll see about virtual environment. So a virtual environment is an isolated Python setup for each project, and it keeps packages separate and avoids version conflict. So for that, firstly what we'll do, we'll create a virtual environment. So here we are starting a new project called web project, and we want a separate environment for it. So for that we will create a virtual environment. So for that we'll open the command prompt and we'll write here. So here we have written python mvenv webenv. So this is the name for the virtual environment. So here we can see it is created, and now what we'll do, we'll just activate this environment. So for that we'll write the environment name. So here we have written webenv, the name, /scripts and /activate. So this will activate the environment. So here we can see the environment is activated, and now for this we'll install Jupyter plus kernel. So for that we'll write pip install Jupyter and kernel. So this will install Jupyter and kernel. So here we can see Jupyter is being installed. So here Jupyter is installed, and now we will start Jupyter. So for that we'll write Jupyter notebook and we'll start Jupyter. So using that command you can open a Jupyter file, and now here you can definitely install different libraries and work through it. So let's see an example with it. For example, we are installing here. So here we have installed this library, and now we'll import the library. So here we'll see its output. So here we can see the output, and this is how we use this. And similarly, if you want to deactivate the environment, you can deactivate it also or delete it also. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.